Creating an npm package is easier than you thought. Hi guys, it's Shayan and today we are going to learn about how to create an npm package. So let's get started. First thing I did is create package folder and test folder. The package folder will be our main code and the test folder where will be testing our package. So first let's create a GitHub repository. I will create a public repository. I will not add a readme and just create the repository. After repository has been created, what we will do is to run this command, these commands in our directory. So let's start. Okay, this command will create a readme file for me, and now we can start creating our package. So first thing we have to do is to run npm init and write the package name. I will name it npm plugin. Description will be a plugin that requests JSON placeholder. Okay. Entry point is index.js and GitHub repository. GitHub repository is this URL. You can add any of the HTTPS or SSH. So let's add this one. Keywords I will leave it. Author is okay. Now we will be having the package.json file. So now let's create an index.js file where we will write our code. So okay, now let's copy this code. For who don't know what this placeholder is, it is a fake API that is public, and we can send requests to it and get some data back. It's great for learning purposes. So what we will be doing is module.exports equal to fetch data placeholder. Okay, now to use it, we can do is npm link. Okay, now let's go into the test directory and write the same command with the directory name. Okay, now let's create script.js file and import our function fetch data from JSON placeholder. Now let's run it and check what's the output. Let's change the file name to mjs, and now let's run it. Okay, now you can check that we are getting the data and we are using our own package that we created just before. So how you can publish this is you can go into the package directory and run this command. Okay, so it's saying that we are not logged in. So first thing we have to do is to go on to the npm. and just create an account here. I have already created this npm account, so I will just log in here. Okay, now you can see that we are logged in a, npm registry. So what we can do is just write npm publish and it will publish our project. So one thing we have to do is, okay, there was some issue with the name of the plugin, so I changed the name to fetch JSON placeholder. So after that, what you have to do is just to run this command npm publish and it will publish your project here. As you can see, I will refresh and okay, we have a fetch JSON placeholder, and we can use this fetch JSON placeholder in your other projects.